Gemini Exchange Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Gemini Exchange Review. In this video, I'll share my hands-on experience with Gemini, discussing its features, who it's best suited for, and how it compares to other crypto platforms. As always, I've included links to Gemini in the description for your convenience. Gemini is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins. It stands out for its strong emphasis on security and regulatory compliance, making it an excellent choice for users prioritizing safety. Gemini offers a sleek, user-friendly platform accessible via web and mobile apps, ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. With support for over 100 cryptocurrencies, it provides ample trading opportunities, including spot trading and staking options. One of Gemini's key features is Gemini Earn, which allows users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. The rates are competitive and payouts are seamless, making it a great passive income tool for long-term investors. The platform also offers advanced trading tools through its active trader interface, which provides features like charting, multiple order types, and lower fees for high-volume traders. For security, Gemini is unmatched with features like two-factor authentication, cold wallet storage, and SOC 2 Type 2 compliance. It's a platform you can trust with your assets. Additionally, Gemini Pay lets you use your crypto for everyday purchases at supported merchants, further enhancing its usability. Who is Gemini for? It's perfect for users who value transparency and security. Beginners will appreciate the simplicity of the app and tools like educational resources, while advanced traders can take advantage of Gemini's sophisticated trading platform. However, it's worth noting that Gemini's trading fees on the basic platform can be higher compared to some competitors. So if cost efficiency is your top priority, this could be a consideration. In conclusion, Gemini is an excellent exchange for those seeking a safe and reliable platform with robust features and a clean interface. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, Gemini delivers a seamless and trustworthy experience. Check out the links in the description to get started and explore Gemini's offerings.